Hello and welcome back to the world of mathematics. So, we were discussing class 5th chapter number 6, that is fractions. So, let's continue with the chapter. Here we are going to discuss the concept of division of fractions. Let's see how we are going to do. Division of fractions we have already discussed with the whole numbers. Now in this video we are going to discuss division of fractions by fractions. That means दो fractions को हम divide करेंगे. कैसे करेंगे? Let's see. We have taken an example जहाँ पे हम 8/9 divided by 1/9 निकालेंगे. Let's see how we are going to do. First is find the reciprocal of the divisor. That means divisor क्या है हमारा 1/9. So 1/9 का हम reciprocal निकालेंगे. Reciprocal means डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा एंड न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. सो रेसिप्रोकल फॉर 1/9 विल बी 9/1. Then step 2 is multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. That means 8/9 as it is. Division sign will be changed to multiplication sign and 1/9 का reciprocal हो जाएगा 9/1. Now we are going to multiply both the fractions, that is 8 9 times is 72 and 9 one time is 9. So we got 72/9. Now we can clearly see that 72/9 is not in the simplest form. Lowest term में नहीं है ये. So we are going to convert it into lowest form. How? We are going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 9. So 72 divided by 9 will be 8 and 9 divided by 9 will be 1. So 8/1 we can also write it as 8. So 8 is our answer. Next is we can see how we did. For example हमें 1/2 को divide करना 1/4 से. So 1/2 हमारा as it is रहेगा. Division sign will be changed to multiplication sign and 1/4 को flip कर देंगे और reciprocate कर देंगे, reciprocal कर देंगे and it will be 4/1. So जब भी हम दो fractions को divide करेंगे, first number as it is, सेकेंड स्टेप क्या होगा, डिवीजन साइन को चेंज कर देंगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन में एंड 1/4 का रेसिप्रोकल विल बी 4/1. So this is how we are going to do and then we are going to multiply both the fractions and get our answer. So हमें याद रखना है keep, change and flip is the short key to remember this. So we are going to do exercise 6J that is given on your page number 99, question number 3, divide. So first part is B part. 5/9 divided by 2/3. Again how we are going to do? 5/9 as it is, division sign will be changed to multiplication sign and 2/3 को flip कर देंगे, change कर देंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 3/2. That means हम इसको reciprocal कर देंगे. So 2/3 का reciprocal will be 3/2. So 5/9 into 3/2, then 5 3 times is 15 and 9 2 times is 18. So we got 15/18 as our answer. But this is not in the lowest form because numerator and denominator के अंदर कुछ common है and that what is that common thing? That is 3. So 15 divided by 3 will be 5 and 18 divided by 3 will be 6. So 5/6 is our answer. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see one more part, that is E part. 3/8 divided by 3/5. So how we are going to do? Again 3/8 as it is, division will be changed to multiplication and 3/5 will be 5/3. Now we are just going to multiply. 3 5 times is 15, 8 3 times is 24. But again 15 and 24 हमारा lowest form में नहीं है. So how we are going to do? So we are going to divide 3 from the numerator and denominator. So 15 divided by 3 will be 5 and 24 divided by 3 will be 8. So 5/8 is our answer. Let's see F part. F part is 6/7 divided by 2/3. How we are going to do? 6/7 as it is, division will be changed to multiplication and 2/3 को reciprocal कर देंगे, it will be 3/2. So 6 3 times is 18, 7 2 times is 14. Okay. Now again इन दोनों में क्या common है numerator and denominator में is 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9 and 14 divided by 2 is 7. But again अब ये हमारा तो आंसर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में आ गया है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन एंड जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे 7 विल बी आउटसाइड, 9 विल बी इनसाइड. 7 वन टाइम विल बी 7, So remainder will be 2. So how we are going to write the cycle? 1 2 by 7. 1 will be the whole number, 2 by 7 will be the fraction, and 1 2 by 7 will be the answer. I hope this is clear to you. Let's see next is h part. H part में क्या है? 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. How we are going to do? See, 3 by 5 as it is, division will be changed to multiplication and 1 by 5 का reciprocal हो जाएगा, that is 5 by 1. So 3 5 times is 15 and 5 1 time is 5. Now we can clearly see कि numerator and denominator में कुछ common है. What is that? 5. सो हम न्यूमरेटर को भी 5 से डिवाइड कर देंगे एंड डिनोमिनेटर को भी 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे एंड 15 डिवाइड बाई 5 विल बी 3 एंड 5 डिवाइड बाई 5 विल बी 1. सो 3 by 1 इज आर आंसर एंड 3 by 1 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 3. सो 3 इज आर आंसर. नेक्स्ट कम इज जे पार्ट. जे पार्ट इज 3 by 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 1 by 2. हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू? 3 by 5 as it is, division will be changed to multiplication and 1 by 2 का reciprocal will be 2 by 1. So 3 2 times is 6, 5 1 times is 5. So now 6 by 5 is again our improper fraction जिसको हम convert करेंगे mixed fraction में, it will be 1 1 by 5. So again we are going to divide and check. So we are going to write the cycle as 1 1 by 5. I hope this is clear to you. So your home task is you have to do exercise 6J, question number 3, remaining parts in your notebooks. Till then, stay happy, take care, stay blessed, and thank you so much.